Yeah, they're growing quickly.
Fighting.
For attention and food?
Fighting each other.
First, I'm chopping all the onions and frying them off in a pan until they turn translucent and fragrant. I like to season the onions with a bit of salt right away. It helps them release their moisture and brings out the flavor faster. Next, I'm chopping 2 cloves of garlic to add to the onions and let it cook gently, just until fragrant. Once the onions are soft, I'm transferring them to a large pot, adding the tomato concentrate, canned tomatoes, a few bay leaves and a stock cube. I always rinse out my cans before throwing them away, so I add that water to the sauce as well. It will evaporate during cooking anyway. Thanks to the oils from the meat and olive oil I added earlier, the bay leaves will release all their aroma as the sauce simmers. Now back to the pan. I'm frying off the minced beef in the same pan as the onions. Let it get a little bit of color and then use a spatula or a fork to gently break it up into small, even pieces. Little pebbles, no big clumps. Don't forget to season the meat while it's cooking. I'm adding a splash of Worcestershire sauce to the tomato base, along with some balsamic vinegar. If you have red wine, this is the moment to add it. Now the minced meat goes into the sauce. Let everything simmer gently on low heat for about 2 hours so that all the flavors can come together.
This is what it looks like, and it's done. Pasta ready, sauce ready. Technically, I should have added red wine to the sauce, but we don't have any red wine open, and the only red wine we have is really fancy, good wine, and I didn't want to put it in the sauce.
Finish everything with some grated cheese and fresh basil if you have it.
Let's go.
You feel weird without a side dish?
Yeah. Kimchi, at least kimchi.
Then have some kimchi or cornichon.
Cornichon is type of kimchi.
Good enough?
Hey, yeah.
Enjoy.
Enjoy your meal. 맛있다. Wow. No, enough. Wow, then more cheese.
I got close to my mother's recipe.
Yeah, she really delicious. We cooked all the spaghetti, right?
Yeah, there's still some capolini left. Do you want me to do more? It's done in 4 minutes.
Okay, then I'm going. 와, 진짜 힘들다. 보너스.
Bonus. Second meal.
Thank you for dinner. It was so delicious.
She's so ready. She's ready. As soon as you bite her ear, she's gonna turn around and bite you.